Previously, while we were discussing how Fiverr works, we discussed 5 ways that you can use to earn money with no skill. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can earn money with no skill. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch that video and then watch this video. In that way, it will make much more sense to you. So keep watching this video to understand how you could earn some extra bucks with no skill required. Hello everyone, my name is Faiz and I'm the founder of Inshaan Corporation, and you are watching Earn Money with No Skill video. In this video, we'll be discussing how you could earn money without any skill required or previous experience. Let's get into the video. Earning online is not new, but has been limited to skilled professionals such as coders, UI UX designer, accountants, and similar kind of jobs that requires an extensive training to perform. It is difficult, and as I'm saying this, I understand what an understatement this is, to earn without any prior experience or skill set through online sources. Now, I also shared this before. If you want to have a good living, you should acquire a good skill set for a longer period of time. But there is hope, and more companies are looking to hire temps of freelancers for a job instead of hiring a full-time employee. As we have discussed in one of our video that Google has more amount of temps than permanent employee. You can go watch that video. I'll mention somewhere in I button or link in the description. You can go watch that video. I have compiled a list of such jobs that doesn't require any specific skill set or any learning training to perform. Number 1 in the list is becoming data entry operator. Data entry jobs are pretty simple and easy to begin with. As a data entry operator, you might be expected to do a number of tasks, which includes typing a set of data into spreadsheet, transcribing videos into audios. The scope of data operators are endless. Based on relative ease on the job, the data entry job have a low rate of around $3 to $4 per hour. But as your experience and reputation grows, you can find better opportunities that pays anywhere around $10 and $20. The second one in the list is work as customer service assistants. In 2020, two bigs collided: e-commerce and social media. During the lockdown, many started buying online, and hence a new journey initiated. As e-commerce grows at an unprecedented rate, especially during this lockdown, buyers are eager to learn more about the business before making purchase. This means that there's more hope to customer query managers who can answer questions timely and generate sales with excellent customer success rate. Now, third one in the list is virtual assistants. The job description could entail a wide range of jobs like data entry, scheduling or a client's plan, flight or hotel booking, and any other task that your client asks. The important thing here is to understand that you work closely with your client, and you need to make sure that your client is working around his or her calendar. This does take out a difference of flexibility from your work as a freelancer, but on the bright side, you can earn a stable paycheck. Now, the fourth one in the list is work as a translator. Now, this doesn't need any external skill set. Most of the people knows more than one language, and you can use that knowledge to transcribe the language. You can also use online platforms like Google Translate or other kind of platform. You can just simply go to Google and type translate, and you can translate words even with audio file, and you can use that as a service. You don't require any skill set, but if you know more than 2 to 3 language, you can use that skill in this. The fifth one in the list is fill up online surveys. Businesses, researchers, government agencies use surveys to understand their customers and work on the product. This often requires acquiring real-time surveys result very fast, and that's why survey sites comes. You can find a lot of survey site online and use that to earn money. You can register and earn somewhere around $1 to $3 per form. If you want us to make a video on this particular topic, please mention that in the comment, and we'll make a separate video discussing about all the platforms that you can use to earn money by filling forms. Now, the sixth one in the list is trading actually requires a skill set and a very good amount of experience to get into trading. But however, if you're copy trading, you're not actually trading yourself. You're just following some expert in the domain, and the buying or selling pattern that they use, you use that. So there is a lot of other platform that specifically offers copy trading for new traders, but if you are trying to get into this, there are other platform which just gives information about what are the famous people are buying and selling. This is also a huge domain, and there are a lot of platforms that people uses. If you want us to make a separate video on this, then please mention that in the comment, and we'll make a separate video where all the trading strategies, where we will be discussing what are the platform that people uses for copy trading, and what are the platform people uses to have that information about what are the people are buying and selling. In fact, there is a website which tells you about internally if any company owner or founder or executive buying and selling their stocks. So that is also a good website to go through if you are just copy trading. And please mention that in the comment below if you want us to make a video on that. Get paid to test website. Web designer often focuses groups to test the functionality of their website. If you can follow simple instruction and navigate through a website, then website testing can be for you. But before you begin, here is what to expect. Web designer design website for general people like you and me, and want to ensure that everyone is comfortable with their website. Also, thanks to advanced testing tools, designer can use to test their website to validate how they can maximize the click-through rate and the sales on their website. By changing certain elements, they can do that. So it is only organic means that they can use to test their actual theories. These are the 7 ways that you can use to earn money online without any prior experience or skill set required. Now, if you have missed anything or any way, please mention that in the comment below, and we will try to figure out. Don't forget to subscribe this channel where we continuously bring this kind of video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. We also have a Discord community that we are trying to build for freelancers. Do check it out. Link is in the description below. And that's it from my side, guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much and have a great day.